Good morning, student. Let us see the next part of this chapter, straight line, that is shift of origin. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Intersection of x-axis and y-axis is O, point O. Point O is called as origin. Origin. Now, P be any point. Let P xy be a point. Isn't it? Now, what we are doing here, we are shifting this origin to point O dash. Now, we shift the origin, that is point O to O dash. Therefore, coordinate of O dash, that is new origin is equal to HK. Due to shifting of origin, the coordinate of point P xy changes to P x dash y dash, and there is a relation between old coordinate and new coordinate of point P, which is as follow. X is equal to x dash plus h, and y is equal to y dash plus k. These equations are called as formulae for shift of origin. Generally, new coordinate of point P is denoted by capital letters x, y. Therefore, small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. X, y are old coordinates. Capital X, Y are new coordinate, and HKB new GIN origin. By using this formula, we can find the new coordinate of point P, as well as if new coordinates are given, we can find old coordinate of point P. Let us see problem based on this topic. Let us see problems based on shift of origin. Exercise 5.1, question number 7. The origin is shifted to the point O dash to 3. The axis remaining parallel to the original axis. Find the new coordinate of point A 1 3 and B 2 3. Solution. Given O dash is equivalent to 2 3 is equivalent to HK. We know we denote new origin as by HK. Old net of point A is equal to 1 3. Let new coordinate of point A is equal to capital X, Y. We know that is equal to old coordinate we denote by small xy and new coordinate by capital X. We know formulae for shift of origin are small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Put the value. Small x is equal to 1 is equal to capital X we want to find plus value of h is 2. Here small y is equal to 3, capital Y we want to find plus small k is equal to 3. Therefore, capital X plus 2 is equal to 1 we can write, and capital Y plus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, capital X is equal to 1 minus 2, capital Y is equal to 3 minus 3. Therefore, capital X is equal to minus 1, capital Y is equal to 0. Therefore, new coordinate of point A will be minus 1, 0. Very easy sum, isn't it? And second sum as homework. This is homework. This is for you, isn't it? You can solve by the same way, isn't it? Let us solve question number 8. If the origin is shifted to the point O-13, the axis remaining parallel to the original axis, find the old coordinate of point C 5, 4, D 3, 3. Given O dash is equal to 1, 3 is equal to HK. New net of new coordinate of point C is equivalent to 5, 4, which we are going to denote by capital letter X and Y. We know that let old coordinate of point C is equal to small xy. We know that small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Therefore, small x is equal to value of capital X is 5 plus value of h is 1 and y is equal to value of capital Y is 4 plus value of k is 3. Therefore, small x is equal to 6 and small y is equal to 7. Therefore, old coordinate of point C is equal to xy equal to 6, 7. In this way, we can solve problems on shift of origin, isn't it? And this is homework for you, isn't it? Let us see question number 10. Obtain the new equation of the following loci if the origin is shifted to the point O-23, the directions of axis remaining same. Old equation of locus is, this is old equation. Old equation. We want to find new equation when origin is shifted to point 2, 3. So let capital X, Y be new coordinate of point xy. New coordinate of xy. No need to write point. When origin is shifted to O dash is equivalent to 2, 3 is equivalent to HK. We know. Here O dash is equal to 2, 2 is given. Second point is also 2. Origin is shifted to 2, 2. By mistake I have written 3 here. Instead of 3, this y coordinate is also 2. Now by formulae for shift of origin, we have small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Here small x is equal to capital X plus 2 and small y is equal to capital Y plus 2. Given equation is 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Put x is equal to capital X plus 2 and y is equal to capital Y plus 2 in equation 1. We get 3 in bracket capital X plus 2 minus capital Y plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. That is 3x plus 6 minus y capital Y minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. We have 3 capital X minus y capital Y plus 6 is equal to 0. Is the required new equation of locus. In this way we can solve question number 10. Let us see one more question. Question number 10 D. Y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the given old equation. We want to find new equation. Solution. Let capital X, capital Y be new coordinate of small xy when origin is shifted to the point O dash is equivalent to 2 to HK. Therefore, by formulae for shift of origin, we have small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. That is small x is equal to capital X plus 2 and small y is equal to capital Y plus 2. Given equation is y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, put the value of y, capital Y plus 2 whole square minus 4 in bracket capital X plus 2 minus 4 in bracket capital Y plus 2 plus 12 is equal to 0. That is capital Y square plus 2 into 4 into capital Y plus 4 square of this minus 4x minus 8 minus 4y minus 8 plus 12 is equal to 0. Plus 4y minus 4y get cancelled. Therefore, we have y square minus 4x plus 12 plus 4, that is equal to 16, minus 8 minus 8, 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, y square minus 4x plus 16 minus 16 get is equal to 0. Is the required new equation of the locus. Question number 10, B and C homework. Try to solve this question B and C. Isn't it? In this way we complete shift of origin. Next part we will see in coming video.